action, the bulldozer action seems to be taking place in Bishna area of Jammu, where bulldozers are being run on houses of alleged drug smugglers. There has been heavy police force deployment also to maintain law and order, and this police action that has now been taken to demolish what is being called as illegal structures built on government land by drug peddlers involved in smuggling. And according to the police, illegal trade of narcotics was going on at this place for a long time, and on the basis of continuous complaints and concrete inputs, the police formed a team and took action on the spot. There you can see the bulldozer action there that has been taking place. Heavy machinery, JCBs have been called in to raise down certain structures there that have been constructed illegally. And what is being said that during the action, the police completely demolished and destroyed the entire illegal construction on the government plot, and they say that this is coming across as a big blow to drug dealers operating in the area and is expected to reduce drug activities. Let's play out a ground report.
Jammu Kashmir Police along with the local administration has a massive drive on the drug peddlers. Here is a crackdown which has been started on the drug peddlers and the encroachment which they have done. Right now I am at the Bishna area where you can see the bulldozers are being pressed in. District administration and the operation of this is to be aimed to reclaim the public land, clear illegal structures who are being set up over here. The bulldozers are being pressed in. You can see how Jammu Kashmir Police along with the local administration are being deployed over here. This is a massive crackdown this is a massive crackdown by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the local administration on the drug peddlers. We have seen yesterday also how bulldozers were pressed in to take action on the drug peddlers and the people who have illegally encroached the public property.
अंकित हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं. अंकित, आपकी ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट हमने देखी. अभी का हाल जो बताइए, how is it looking right now as far as this bulldozer action that has been initiated by the police there to raise down illegal construction activity that was taking place on government plot? क्या ये सरकारी जमीन थी जिसके ऊपर ये illegal buildings बनाई गई थी?
What we are getting to know, it is a massive crackdown on the drug peddlers who are smuggling the drugs. Right now I am at the spot in Bishna area. This is the construction which was totally dismantled by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the local administration over here. Heavy deployment of forces has been pressed in over here so that no law and order situation mishaps over here. You can see how the Jammu Kashmir Police has been deployed over here, but according to the Jammu Kashmir Police, in upcoming days the crackdown will continue on those drug peddlers who are smuggling the drugs and indulging the youth into the drugs. This is a clear message by the Jammu and Kashmir Police over here. I am at the ground. You can see a massive deployment of the forces over here. This is a structure which was totally demolished by the Jammu and Kashmir Police. Yesterday also a brick crackdown was by the Jammu and Kashmir Police in the Bishna and the same area today in the Bishna
area of Jammu, where Ankit is getting us this live report. Previously, the structure that was there behind him has now been completely razed. It's been completely demolished. As the police suggest that these were illegal construction activities by drug smugglers there. That has now been targeted. Police deployment, as you can see, is still there on the spot. Ankit, आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Let's move on now and get you this another round of